Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Peter Lennox video. I'm just going to do a very quick walkover video of this beautiful 2013 B200 CDI, the diesel model, B-Class. This beautiful car just came in, we just got it in, we've given it a clean, we've serviced it. It's a very nice car. What's very special about it is that it's very low mileage. Just over 25,000 kilometers, maybe I think 26,000 kilometers on the clock for a 2013 is very low mileage, and the car is in very good condition. Beautiful in silver with 17-inch genuine Mercedes wheels, and it's just a very nice city get around if you're looking to get into the Mercedes-Benz family, or just a car to get around town or even in the city. As you can see, it's got the bi-xenon headlights, beautiful grille. The car itself is in just very good condition. 17-inch wheels. What I really like, it does have a panoramic sunroof that you can see just here. Goes all the way back to the second row. I'll show you inside just quickly, but yeah, just a quick walk around this car. We just received it, so I thought I'd show you and give you the opportunity to you know, have a look at it and come and test drive it if you can, today or early next week after the King's long weekend, because this car is very nice and won't last long. B200, so it's very quite powerful being a diesel, and yet still very economical. You'll get a lot of mileage for your dollar and quite a lot of performance. There's a quick sneak peek inside. As you can see, it's got the large screen. It's just a very nice B-Class in very good condition with very low mileage. So there you have it. That's a quick walk around. Now let's get inside the back seat, show you just how much space there is. These B-Classes are quite surprising. They're actually very spacious inside, and there's that big panoramic sunroof that's currently open. Look at that, very nice. Now let's jump inside. I'm 6'1". The seat is actually quite far back at the front here, and as you can see, there is still quite a bit of room, and we even have a rear tray for your drink and your food, much like on an aeroplane or whatnot. So that's very nice, and that's on this side here too. Alright, so there you have it. Panoramic sunroof, rear tray holder, and just in very good condition. As you can see, these seats look like they've never been used. Actually, if you have a look at that, honestly, as new. Even the rear, the carpet, everything is just brand new. Let's have a look on the passenger side, and look at that beautiful optioned wood. It's rare to see these on, let's say, A classes or B classes, but this one does have it. So the original owner, obviously a bit fussy with the cars, and they really took care of this one. And basically, with such low mileage, it's like a new car. Look at this seat. There is no wear and tear at all. Very nice. Let's have a look on the driver's side. So as I mentioned, this car just came in and is going to be listed very shortly. I thought I'd get it up there. It's just the perfect car if you're looking for a compact yet very spacious inside hatchback that is economical, powerful, and just in amazing condition. Have a look at the door, all very nice. And now let's have a look inside. It does have the updated steering wheel, so if you have a look, let's zoom out. It's got the updated steering wheel. It's a 2013 model with all the dials on here. As you can see, 26,180 kilometers to be exact. Very nice. It's got a very nicely laid out instrument cluster. There's the command system. It does have navigation, radio, telephone, so you get your maps, heating and cooling through here, and everything here, as you can see, is not really scratched. Everything works. It's just a very neat car. You've got your cup holders, your command system dial, and it's even got the phone integration cable there. It's just all very nice, and as you can see, very little wear and tear, if any. So just a very nice car. Now this is just a quick walkthrough of the vehicle. It is going to be listed later today, so if you're interested right now, give us a call here on Friday. Come and see it if you're local to Thomastown. or get in touch to see it next week after the long weekend. It is now available, but I don't think it's going to last long. For $27,990, drive away with a 1-year warranty is amazing value for this very, very low mileage B200 CDI 2013. Thank you for watching.